Discover how to make super fast, immediate payments with the Nedbank app so you're never stuck in a financial emergency. First, open your Nedbank Money app and log in using your PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Once you're in, locate and tap the Transact option, usually found at the bottom of your screen on the navigation bar. In the Transact menu, you'll see several options. Tap on Pay or Send Money, or a similar option that allows you to initiate a payment. Now choose your recipient. You can either select someone from your existing list of beneficiaries or add a new recipient by tapping Add Recipient or New Recipient. If you're adding a new recipient, enter their bank details accurately, including their account number, branch code, and the recipient's name. Then tap Next. On the payment details screen, enter the amount you wish to send, check the bank details, and then ensure that you selected the immediate payment or instant payment option. This might be under a payment type drop-down. Please note that immediate payments usually incur a higher fee than standard payments. The fee amount will be displayed on the confirmation screen. Review it carefully. Double-check all the details one last time at the recipient, the amount, and the fee. If everything is correct, tap the Confirm or Pay Now button to finalize the transaction. You'll see a payment confirmation screen, confirming that your immediate payment has been successfully processed. You can download it or send it to the recipient to confirm, and that's it. You've just made an immediate payment using the Nedbank app faster than ever.